Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we're building our homestead little by little from the roots up. I'm Kristy.
And I'm Makayla.
And today we are going to be making pesto. If you've been following along with the progress on our homestead, then you know Makayla is a budding flower farmer. And what is one of the things that you have grown so much of to add to your bouquets?
Basil.
She's got basil running out of her ears. So what did we decide to make today?
Pesto.
So we're gonna make some pesto in our Every Bit Counts challenge. Today is day 16. We are halfway through the month. And we aren't just gonna make pesto, we are gonna show you how to freeze it so that you can use it all year long. This is a super simple recipe. All you need is a food processor and the ingredients. So Makayla, what do we need for this?
3 cups of fresh basil leaves.
Okay, 3 cups of fresh basil leaves. And we washed these. We're gonna put them in. Okay, what else do we need?
1.5 cups of pecan.
1.5 cups of pecans. Normally in pesto, the traditional recipe calls for either pine nuts or walnuts, but we have a ton of pecans around here. So we decided to use what we have, and we're making a pecan pesto. What else?
4 cloves of garlic.
4 cloves of garlic. Clove is this little piece right here.
1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese.
1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. All right, what else?
3/4 cup of olive oil.
Ooh, 3/4 cup of olive oil.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Ooh, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Ooh, we're gonna use Makayla's favorite, which is the pink salt, right?
Mm.
Okay, now all we do is turn the food processor on. You wanna do that, Makayla? You know how to work it. There we go, good. Okay? There we go. Okay, you can stop it. All right, that's doing a good job, but we're gonna go ahead and pull this top off and get the stuff around the edges to make sure we have, yeah, you can do it. To make sure that we have a nice smooth puree. Make sure all that stuff gets done in, yeah. These little ninjas work amazingly well at chopping up things really, really fine. Okay. Put it on. Okie dokie. There we go. All right, it's all stopped and it's all pureed, nice and fine. What do we use pesto for?
You can use it for spaghetti sauce or for bread.
Yeah, you can put it on bread. Oh, smell how yummy that smells. What are your favorite ways to use pesto? Let us know down in the comments. That was the hardest part of it all. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of it and we are gonna put it into ice cube trays. Okay, do you wanna do this part, MJ?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
So the next thing we need to do is put them in the freezer. So we'll see you back in a minute when they're frozen solid. So we let it freeze and now it's time to get them out of the tray.
We're just gonna put them in a gallon Ziploc baggie. And then all we have to do is take 1 cube out. Makayla has the hiccups. All we have to do is take 1 cube out at a time, thaw it, put it over our pasta or put it on our bread, and it's gonna be the perfect addition. And that is all there is to it. We're gonna put them in a Ziploc baggie instead of sealing them in an airtight baggie because this way we can open and reseal as we need. If you missed any of our Every Bit Counts Challenge videos, you can catch up on those right over here. Thank you so much for joining us. If you got some value out of this, please give it a like. And for more updates, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get notified when we put out more videos.
Thanks for watching.